How far my people? Urban Nature here again. Today we will learn how to download TikTok video without that annoying watermark. So let's move to the show. First, go to TikTok, search for the video where you like to download, and copy the download link. After you copy the download link, you go open your Telegram and search for TT Cool Bot. Click and click join. Now copy the link and paste the link and send. The site now go generate the video. After generating the video, just download the video and you no go see watermark. Easy, abi?